line with the track record they have kept over the few months they have been in operation. While receiving clothes and face masks meant for street children from the Kenya Private Sector Alliance, Badi says since NMS is part of the national government, its disbandment will not affect service delivery. His remarks follows Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko's threats to withdraw from the deed of transfer that transferred 4 key functions of the county government to the national government under the NMS.
NMS is part of national government. In fact, our office is part of the office of the president. So the national government is there to serve all Kenyans. So we as national government will continue with our objectives unhindered to ensure that service delivery reaches every citizen. When the devolution came, the work was divided between national government and county government. So I believe whether it's county government or national government, service delivery is very essential to the people. So whether we are in existence or not, service delivery will still continue. Remember that we are part of national government and we have a duty and obligation to serve the people. Very proud of it. It has been a model, and I'm sure Wananchi will judge for themselves.
Opinion continues to be divided over whether or not the government should lock down the country in an effort to curb the spread of coronavirus. There's mixed reaction among